The truth behind China's climate pledge. Is it being taken into effect? Human-induced carbon emissions are the leading cause of climate change. Carbon emissions, or CO2, produced by the burning of fossil fuels, trap heat into the atmosphere, leading to a change in climate. Considering that our ecosystem is very sensitive and dependent on many factors, including temperature change, this sudden change in climate can be devastating. This in turn affects us and our society. According to the SRES scenarios, scientists have determined that there are currently 4 main scenario possibilities that we could see occur. These projections of future climate change include A1, A2, B1, and B2. To prevent scenarios such as the A2 scenario, projection of high CO2 emissions from occurring, most developed countries have either signed the Paris Agreement on mitigating climate change, or have made pledges of mitigating climate change. China, one of the leading countries in CO2 emissions, was one of the countries to pledge emission intensity reduction. Due to climate change, China has seen an increase in water scarcity as well as food security issues. This, coupled with an increase in non-agricultural water consumption, could mean a severe shortage in cropland water in China. As a result, China has begun implementing water-saving irrigation measures in cropland. These techniques have not only enhanced climate change adaptation capacity, but has also promoted regional sustainable development. Through these water-saving practices, from 2007 to 2009, the water saved accounted for 5.6 to 11.8% of the national total water consumption. CO2 emissions were also reduced by 21.83 to 47.48 metric tons. Water-saving irrigation measures can also help alpine grassland in northern Tibet adapt to climate change. An increase in precipitation and temperatures have led to the melting of glaciers, causing the degradation of Tibet's alpine grassland. Water-saving irrigation measures can redistribute increased precipitation towards the dry period. This would reduce the negative effects of climate change. During a 3-year demonstration of water-saving irrigation on alpine grassland, primary productivity nearly doubled. Also, the number of plant species increased from 20 to 19 to 29. Although China is one of the leading countries in CO2 emissions, there is room for climate change mitigation.